Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again with a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to convert a PDF file to JPEG file. Now, as you can see, I have already a PDF file ready to start with. As you can see, this is the PDF file which has an image, and I want to convert it into a JPEG. So what I'm gonna do is basically go and open the browser. As you can see it right here, this is the browser, and I am going to write down this in the browser: combinepdf.com. So this is the website that we are going to be using in today's video. Now what we are going to do is to change from PDF to JPEG, and here I'm going to upload files, or you can simply drag it. I'm going to upload it, so I'm going to go to my desktop, I'm going to choose this file, and now all I'm going to do is to actual download all, as you can see. And now this is a zip file that contains our image in the JPEG file format. As you can see, here it is. So this is how you can do it. It's very easy and simple. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next video.